going on, everyone? Today we're going to be doing the hood scoop on the Mazdaspeed3. So in here we have the corksport hood scoop. It is a carbon fiber hood scoop. Looks really nice. That's basically just gonna go right here and give it that big old nose. Look at that honker. Helps with airflow, looks more aggressive. I like it. So it should be a pretty easy install. But just in case you don't have a clue on what you're doing, like me, Corksport sends instructions that we will be reading. I don't know what I'm doing. Comes with some hardware as well. Some new nuts. These nuts. QR code. If you're like me and you need instructions for everything, I got you. So there's a few push pins we have to get out. Right, if you can see it. Right here, and there's a third one that I'm gonna have to find. So the fun fact of owning a pre-used car is sometimes you're missing stuff. I only had 2. It's not a big deal. $10mm bolts, 10mm nuts, okay, after 8 10mm nuts, this thing comes out. To be honest, I don't know what it's called. It helps direct the air. Now we have 3 more 10mm to remove the hood scoop. Stock hood scoop out, and it had these plastic pieces that would catch, and that was they were kind of catching on it, but other than that, it came right out. And now we're ready to install the new hood scoop. Lining it up where the old one went. Taking your old nuts, or the new ones that they provide, new nuts that they provided, we're just gonna put them right back on and it'll be fastened down. And then we can put the air duct back and we're done already. Super easy install. Alright, so I got all those tightened up. It only says to torque down to 35 inch-pounds, so like nothing crazy, don't over tighten, just kind of snug. Now we take this super hefty junk and put it right back, and we're putting it back because again it directs air straight into the motor and the air tank and science. Okay, so with the air duct back in, that's it, we're done. That's it. Super simple. So overall, it turned out pretty good. My big question, and guys, let me know down in the comments below, do we paint match it? It's carbon fiber. I'd hate to paint over carbon fiber, but I think I want to paint match it to the car, the white. It just gives it a little more OEM plus look, and I really am going for that, and I like that. But let me know if you guys like the black carbon fiber on the white car. I see it all over the internet like that. It's okay. but personally I think I want to paint match it. Let me know in the comments down below. Guys, thanks for watching. It was a super easy, super quick video, but super easy install that anybody can do at home. Like I said, Corksport gives instructions. Thanks for watching.